Let's find out what is mixture. Mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances which are physically combined. So there are two kinds of mixture, the heterogeneous and the homogeneous. What is homogeneous and heterogeneous?
Homogeneous. If the resulting mixture look the same throughout, or when the materials mixed with other materials cannot be distinguished from one another. Heterogeneous. If each other combined or mixed materials can be easily identified or distinguished from one another.
Welcome to my science experiment. What will happen if we will mix solid materials to liquid materials? Enjoy watching! Hello guys, it's Jhelianne, and today's video I'm gonna do a science experiment. What will happen to the solid materials mixed with liquid materials? Come on guys, let's check it out. The first materials are sand and water. So I'm gonna mix them together. And some water. So what I have observed, I can still see some sand in the water. So this mixture is called heterogeneous. So the next material is salt and water. So I'm gonna mix the salt into the water. So guys, what have you observed? Can you still see the salt? No. So this mixture is called homogeneous. Time for the next. So our next item is salt and vinegar. Now let's mix the salt. Guys, can you see the salt? No, the salt already dissolved. So, what mixture is it? You're correct, it's homogeneous. So let's move on to the next material. So the next material is vinegar and pepper. So I'm gonna mix them together. So guys, as what I have observed, there's still pepper. So this mixture is called heterogeneous. So let's move on to the next material. So the next one is gonna be vinegar and benzoin. So I'm gonna mix them together. Observe. observed, this mixture is called homogeneous. So let's move on to the next material, water and malunggay. So let's put them inside. They're not going down. They're not going down. Mix it. Whoa. Can you see it, guys? It's so cool. It's so cool when you mix it with water. It's like they're crystals that are silver when you mix it. Yeah, they're floating. So what do you think is this kind of mixture? Is it heterogeneous or homogeneous? What did you say? You're correct! It's heterogeneous. So let's move on to the next material. So the next materials are oil and cornstarch. Now I am gonna mix it. Oops. Mix some more. Whoa! Look at this, guys. It's not mixing. Oh, it's like melted honey. It's like honey. Can you see it, guys? It's like honey. I'm gonna add some more. Guys, I've got honey. Just kidding. It's not honey. It's oil mixed with cornstarch. So, can you still see the cornstarch? You're correct. No. You cannot still see the cornstarch. So, this mixture is called homogeneous. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for my upcoming videos. Goodbye guys! See you in my next vlog. Peace out!